Is the board is visible to you? Good evening, children. Is the board visible to you? Board బాగా కనపడుతుందా? Can you hear me? Okay. Good evening. Good evening. So I think you can hear me clearly. Is that right? Okay. Good. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening. Children, today is 9th. I think your first exam is mathematics. Mahaganaadhipataye namaha. Your first exam is mathematics, and you need to be serious about your studies. Okay. And we are discussed about trigonometry. Trigonometry, 2 chapters we discussed, circles we discussed, and I think what else we discussed? Only these three: trigonometry, circles. What else we discussed? What are the topics we discussed? And now arithmetic progression. So you have to be thorough with all these. Okay, na? So still Monday is 11th. Monday is 11th. So 4 more days are there. So you have to prepare for exams. Good evening. Sanvi, can you tell me what are the topics so far we discussed till now? What are the topics? What are the chapters we discussed? Good evening, Sanvi, can you tell me? One is circles, the other one is trigonometry, third one is heights and distances, means applications of trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry, yes, right. Good. Now today we are going to discuss arithmetic progression. Children, arithmetic progression, I told you there are total 5 concepts. One is A, D, N, AN, SN. These are the 5 important components in arithmetic progression that you have to know about. A, arithmetic progression, first term. D is the common difference, means the difference between any 2 consecutive terms, generally known as T2 minus T1, term 2 minus term 1. In general we can say like that. D is equal to T2 minus T1 in general. N is the number of term progression contains. An arithmetic progression may be an infinite or a finite. For example, if I have a progression like this is an arithmetic progression and there is no end for this one. So it is called infinite progression. If I write an arithmetic progression like this, there is an end. 100 is the last term in this progression. So this is called a finite progression. This is called finite progression. Okay, na? So n will talk. N is nothing but the number of terms in the arithmetic progression. If it is a finite one. If the progression is finite, n is n only. If the progression is finite, then you need to decide. Suppose this is an finite progression, finite arithmetic progression, and last term is 100. And you can ask 100 is which term? 100 is which term? That means n you need to say n is 20th term of 100 is 20th term of this progression. N is 20th term of this progression. So then we can say n is 20 for this progression. Okay, na? N is 20 for this progression. But here to this one, this is an infinite progression. You cannot say what is n over here. Just n is n only because this is an infinite progression. Okay. An means last term of the arithmetic progression. So here this is an. An is 100. An is 100. Okay, na? The last term. So last term exists only for finite AB, not for infinite AB. Okay, na? Because it is continuing like that, infinite number of terms. You cannot say the last term for infinite AB. You can say last term for finite AB only. That is an. So here in this AB, an is 100. Sn means when we add all the numbers in the progression, all the terms in the progression, the sum together called Sn. So after adding all these terms, whatever the value we will get is called as Sn. So these are the 5 main components in arithmetic progression. See, I used to call these two as hero and heroine. Karte kada? The class lo చెప్పాను కదా హీరో హీరోయిన్. ఈ హీరో హీరోయిన్ ఇవన్నీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఇవన్నీ. ఈ మూడు క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ రెండు లేని సినిమానే లేదు. Understand? So these two are very, very important. If we know A and we know D, we can find out any term in the arithmetic progression. ఇది బాగా మైండ్ లో వెళ్ళిపోవాలి మీ అందరికీ. If we know A and D, we can find out any term in the given arithmetic progression. ఇది మైండ్ లోకి బాగా వెళ్ళాలి మీ అందరికీ. ఓకేనా? That's why I call them as hero and heroine. సో ఒకవేళ నాకు ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం లో ఒక్కొక్కసారి A ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఒక్కొక్కసారి D ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఒక్కొక్కసారి 2 ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఒక్కొక్కసారి 2 ఇవ్వడు. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. In some problems we can have A but not D. In some problems we can have D but not A. In some problems we can have both, and in some problems we will not have both. సో ఎక్కడైనా సరే మన ప్రయత్నం ఎలా ఉండాలంటే ఏ ఏంటి డి ఏంటి ఇచ్చాడా లేదా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? టు ఫైండ్ ఏ అండ్ డి, వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్లూస్ ఆర్ గివెన్. To find A and B, what are the clues are given? That is what we have to understand while doing this chapter. Understand, children? Okay. Now, what I do is, I am trying to take different models in arithmetic progression in RS Agrawal, and I am trying to explain because see, it will take today and tomorrow, maybe it will take third class also, one more class also to complete this arithmetic progression. Okay, children? So here the first sum goes. If the nth term of arithmetic progression is 4n minus 10, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 4n minus 10, find the first term, common difference and 16th term. We need to find out T1, D and T16. These are the three we need to find out, children. This is the question. AN is given. Again sir, AN and the last term అంటే ఒక నెంబర్ రావాలి కదా, మనకి నెంబర్ లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ వచ్చింది ఏంటి, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్. చూడండి, ఏదో ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చాడు ఎంత టర్మ్ అంటే వాడిది ఫైనైట్ ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ కాదు, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ అనమాట. అది ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ కాదు, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ అనమాట. సో ఈ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ ఏపీలో ఎంత టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సో ఎంత టర్మ్ ఇస్ అన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, ఎంత టర్మ్ is an expression. So 4n minus 10 is the of it. So we need to find out, sorry, not T1, I'll call it as A1, A16. Okay? So now how to find out A1, common difference and 16th term. Okay? A will just keep 1 in the place of n. Keep 1 in the place of n. You will get A1, which is minus 6. Keep 2 in the place of n. Okay na? Keep 3 in the place of n. Four threes are minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. Minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. Okay, children. Now, can we keep a message in the group that all should join the class group? Keep a message. Okay. See here. Minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. And he is asking to find out A1, D, A16. A1, D, A16. So, what is A1, children? A1 is negative 6. What is D? A2 minus A1. A2 minus 2 minus A1 minus 6. So minus 2 plus 6, which is 4. D is 4. Now A16. A16, we know that A16 is A plus 15D. A plus 15D. A is minus 6 plus 15 into 4. Minus 6 plus 16. 54. 54. Okay na? So 16th term is 54. 16th term is 54. And the common difference is 4. First term is negative 6. Okay na children? ఇట్లా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ an అనేది ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇస్తే ముందు a1 a2 a3 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కీపింగ్ 1 in the place of n, you will get a1, 2 in the place of n, you will get a2, 3 in the place of n, you will get a3 and so on. Next question. Next question. Yeah. Next question is, how many terms are there? 6, 10, 14, 6, 10, 14, 18, so on. So on, 174. How many terms are there in this AP? This is the question. Can we use an is equal to 4n minus 10? You are using it now. If you keep n1, you will get a1 value. If you keep n2, you will get a2. n3, you will get a3. So if you know a1, a2, a3, you can find out any term. You can find out any term. Now see the next question, everyone. Stanley, kindly keep a message in the group that class is going on. Topic is arithmetic progression. Everyone should join the class. kindly put a message. Dear parents, kindly ask your ward to join the class. Topic is arithmetic progression. Okay, now don't waste the time. రాని వాళ్ళ గురించి టైం వేస్ట్ చేయదు. అందరూ రండి చక్కగా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్ ఇది. దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్ నా. ఏపీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఏపీ. ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ. లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఉంది. ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ. ఓకేనా? అందరూ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ కావాలి. అంటే 174 అనేది ఎన్నో టర్మ్? 174 అనేది ఎన్నో టర్మ్? You need to find out n here. How many terms are there in this AB? This is the question. How many terms are there in this AB? That means we need to find out n. Okay na? So for this we know A1 is 6, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 10 minus 6, 4. And we need to, and AN is given 174. చెప్పాను ఇందాక ఇది ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ కాబట్టి ఈ 174 ఏమనుకోవాలి మనం ఏఎన్ అనుకోవాలి. 174 ఏమనుకోవాలి ఏఎన్ అనుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? నా ఏఎన్ అంటే a ప్లస్ n minus 1 into d is equal to 174. Now place the values, insert the values. 6 plus n minus 1 into 4, 174. n minus times of 4, 174 minus 6. n minus 1 is equal to 174 minus 6, 168 by 4. 4 4s are 4 2s are. n minus 1 is 42. n is 43. అంటే n is 43 means in this progression there are total 43 terms and 174 is the 43rd term. 174 is the 43rd term. ఈ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో టోటల్ గా 43 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద 43rd term? 174. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ. ఫైనైట్ ఏపీ కే an ఉంటుంది. We'll go ahead with the next one. Next question. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13 so on is 88? Which term of AP 3, 8, 13 so on is 88? What is the difference between the previous question and this question? Can anyone say? What is the difference between previous question and this question? Charmi, I am not asking that one. What is A? What is D? What is my question, Namrata? What is the difference between the previous question and this question? Anyone? If you want, I'll write this question. Which term of AP is 88? Which term of AP is 88? Previous question, how many terms are there in the AP? How many terms are there in the AP? That is what you have done. We said that there are total 43 terms. There are in total 43 terms. Okay. Now what is this question? This question is, in this AP, there is a number called 88. There is a number called 88. And 88 is the which term? 6th term, 4th term, 10th term. Which term is 88? That is the question. Okay? So, but even though the questioning is different, procedure is same. Let n is equal to 88. let an is equal to 88. An means a plus n minus 1 into d is 88. Now substitute 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 5, 88. n minus 1 into 5 is 88 minus 3, 85. n minus 1 is equal to 85 by 5. 5 ones, 5 sevens. n minus 1, 17. n is equal to 18. n is equal to 18. Okay, children. n is equal to 18. So, in this AP there are 18 terms and 88 is the 18th term of this AP. Vaishak 438. 438 ఏంటి? వైశాఖ్ నువ్వు చాలా తప్పుగా ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు, మరి ఎందుకు నువ్వు అలా ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు తెలియట్లా. క్వశ్చన్ సరిగ్గా చదువు. Which term of AP is 88? Let it be nth term, an. Let it be an is equal to 88. You need to calculate n. You need to calculate n. n is equal to 18. So, A18. A18. 18th term of this AP is 88. Understand? Okay. Next one. Am I clear, students? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Children, can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. Right. Next question. Which term of AP will be 72 more than first if AP 8, 14, 20, 18, 14, 20, 20, so on. Which term of AP will be 72 more than 41st term? 72 more than which term of AP will be 72 more than 41st term? That is the question. Screen not clear? Why? Why? Now? Not visible. Blur. Maybe internet issues. Is it okay now? Okay. Maybe internet issues. Okay. Which term of AP 8, 14, 20, 26 so on is 72 more than 41st term? More than 41st term. That means which term అన్నాడు కదా, which term కాబట్టి an అనుకోవాలి. which term అన్నాడు కాబట్టి an అనుకోవాలి. an is equal to 41st term అంటే A41 plus 70. సో ఇక్కడ మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే which term of AP let it be an AN is 72 more than 40 first term. That is what you have to understand. AN is which term? Which term is AN? AN is equal to A41 plus 72. A41 plus 72. One minute. Sudrasya, तू कैसे वापस आना दी? अन्नी आपके सेम इंटर. Okay na? Now, just still blur. Okay. Okay. Problem solved. Okay. Maybe internet issues. Is it okay, children, now? Okay? Not okay. So can I explain? Can I explain now? Okay. Now see, n minus 1 into d is equal to a41 a plus 40d plus 72. So place the values. 8 plus n minus 1 into d 6. A 8 plus into 6 plus 72. 8 plus n minus 1 into 6. 8 plus 240 plus 72. 240 plus 72. Find n. Everyone find n. Find n, children. Find n. 240 plus 72, 312, 320. 320. 8 plus minus 1 into 6 is equal to 320. N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 312. I think you can cancel this at 312. Then n minus 1 is equal to 312 by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are. So n is equal to 53. N is equal to 53. So 53rd term of AP, 53rd term of AP is 72 more than 41st term. 53rd term of AP, 53rd term of AP is 72 more than 41st term. That is what you have to understand. Next question, children. Next question. Yeah. Find the middle term. Important problem. Find the middle term of A. 6, 13, 20. 6, 13, 20, so on 216. Find the middle term of AP. Find the middle term of AP 6, 13, 20, so on 216. Any idea, children? We need to find out the middle term. Middle term. Any idea? Today getting more internet issues. Middle term. N plus 1 by 2. What is n first? Tell me, Ishan. Find n, then divided by. Suppose if n is even, what happened to n? What will happen, Neha Devi? Yes. Hamsini says first we need to find out n. Number తో చెప్పు ఒకవేళ n ఈవెన్ నంబర్ అయిందనుకో అప్పుడు మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఏంటవుతుంది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ n20 అయింది అనుకో, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నంబర్ తో n20 అయింది, అప్పుడు మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఏంటవుతుంది? అంటే 10th టర్మ్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అవుతుందా? నేహాదేవి నువ్వు చెప్పు, టోటల్ గా ఒక ఏరియా 6 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, 6 టర్మ్స్. What is the middle term, Nehadevi? నేను ఏపీ రాస్తాను. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. దీంట్లో మిడిల్ టర్మ్ చెప్పండి కొంచెం నాకు నంబర్ తో. What is the middle term here? Anyone? మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఆ టర్మ్ కరెక్ట్ గా మధ్యలో అయి ఉండాలి. అంటే దానికి ఇటువైపు అటువైపు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఏమవుతుంది మిడిల్ టర్మ్? 17.5 కా. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే we need to take two terms, 15 and 20. You need to add them n by 2. You need to add them by 2. 15 plus 20, 35. 35 by 2, 17.5. That is middle term. That is 17.5 is not a term of this AP. It is not a term of this AP. అందుకని ఇక్కడ మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఏంటంటే రెండు చెప్పాలి. 15 and 20 ఆర్ ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో, స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ లో కాదు. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ లో అయితే 17.5 అని చెప్పాలి. అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో మటుకు మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అంటే 15 and 20 ఆర్ ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. వెన్ n ఈస్ ఈవెన్. n ఆడ్ అనుకోండి ఒకటే వస్తుంది, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. n ఆడ్ అయితే ఒకటే వస్తుంది, ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ఓకేనా? నౌ we'll go ahead with this. Now you tell me how to find out middle term of this. How to find out middle term of this progression? You said right. You said right. First we need to find out n. Find out n children. Take an is equal to 216. An is equal to 216. A plus n minus 1 into d, 216. 6 plus n minus 1 into 7, 216. n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 216 minus 6. n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 210. n minus 1 is equal to 210 by 7, 30. n minus 1 30, n 31. అంటే number of terms in this progression is 31. ఈ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో టోటల్ గా 31 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 31 టర్మ్స్. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ కాబట్టి n plus 1 by 2 చేయాలి. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ కాబట్టి n plus అయింది ఇంటర్నెట్ కి బాగా. 111 is the middle term of this AP. 111. Can you hear me, children? Is my voice clear? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Okay. Ask the students who left, join now immediately.